Even for the impossible-to-shop-for person, the latest tech gadgets always make for a great gift. Why? Well, no matter what their interests are, there's always something out there that's perfectly tailored to what they love. In this video, we will cover the best tech gifts that you can give to someone in 2022. But before moving forward, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to ensure that you do not miss any updates. So, let's get into it. The product list rounds up tech gifts for everyone in your life, from spouse to coworker, across a range of prices. And if you start your shopping early, you're virtually guaranteed to find the gifts you want in stock and at the best prices. In fact, some of these gift ideas are so awesome, you might want to pick one up for yourself. Starting with the number one we have. 1. Desktop stand for headphones. Place your headphones conveniently so that they're always in reach. The stand also features a small footprint to keep your desk organized and free of clutter. You can also disassemble this stand by removing a screw from the bottom. The Satechi 2-in-1 headphone stand has one USB-C PD input port and offers one USB-C output port, non-PD, with 5-watt max output. It also features a magnetic wireless charger to charge iPhones at 7.5 watts. 2. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The new GoPro Hero 11 Black camera is perfect for the adventure seeker in your midst. It's waterproof, rugged, small, and able to capture breathtaking content where other cameras can't. This GoPro captures stills at 27 megapixels and video at up to 5.3K resolution at 60 frames per second. The camera is loaded with specialty shooting modes and features that allow it to be used in bright sunlight, low light, or even underwater. It also supports live streaming and wireless connectivity to any mobile device. 3. Nebula Capsule II. Portable home projectors allow you to beam movies and streaming shows onto a wall in a bigger size than a TV. We are huge fans of this pint-sized Anchor model, which has Android TV for easy access to YouTube, Prime, and Disney+. Cutting-edge DLP technology creates a stunning 720p 200 ANSI lumen image. This projector is ideal for use in low-light environments. Premium ScanSpeak transducers reproduce every moment in pulse-pounding clarity for all to hear. 4. Bose QuietComfort 45S. Perfect for traveling and commuting, these comfortable over-ear headphones have noise cancellation that'll silence unwanted sounds and keep the focus on the music. They're expensive, but easily one of our favorite sets of cans you can buy. The triport acoustic architecture offers depth and fullness. Volume-optimized active EQ maintains balanced performance at any volume, so bass stays consistent when turned down and the music remains clear when turned up. These comfortable wireless headphones are suitable for all-day wear. 5. New Ember Smartmug II. No one wants their tea to go cold, and this smart mug is the answer to those cooling problems. This 295 milliliter mug comes with a chargeable coaster that keeps drinks hot for up to 80 minutes on a charge, and lets you choose an exact temperature via a phone app. Off the rechargeable coaster, the mug stays warm for 1.5 hours. This smart mug allows you to control with your smartphone. Pair with the Ember app to set your temperature, customize presets, receive notifications, and more. The Ember heated mug intelligently senses when to turn on and off. 6. Smart Reusable Notebook. Blast your handwritten notes to popular cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, Box, OneNote, Slack, iCloud, email, and more using the free Rocketbook application for iOS and Android. Easy sharing when working remotely from home, distance learning, homeschool, and a home office. Students and avid note-takers, you will undoubtedly be impressed by the Rocketbook Smart Notebook. Available in many colors, the reasonably priced product will allow them to take notes the old school way, then scan them for easy sharing or cloud storage. 7. HS260 Foldable Drone. The reasonably priced Holystone HS260 drone is a perfect tech gift for aerial photography beginners. It can capture full HD video from a robust range, and it packs an impressive set of flight and camera controls. Users can tap into the foldable gadget's stellar capabilities via a bundled remote control using their smartphone as a viewfinder. 8. Yummy Wireless Smart Meat Thermometer. This completely wireless smart thermometer monitors temperature throughout the cooking process with no strings attached, or wires for that matter. The grill master in your life can control their cooking from up to 150 feet away using the thermometer's smartphone app. Plus, it has super handy built-in timers and alerts. This one makes a great hostess gift. 9. Self-cleaning bottle. The sleek PureVis water bottle by Larq, the maker of our favorite pitcher, is a surprisingly high-tech gift thanks to an onboard UVC light. The non-toxic technology will allow users to seamlessly sanitize the bottle's interior as well as the water inside it. The process takes only a minute to complete. Available in several colors, the bottle has an insulated design which allows it to keep the liquids hot for up to 12 hours and cold for up to 24 hours. The rechargeable battery of its sanitizer can last up to a month between charges. 10. Form Smart Swim Goggles. They'll pick a workout, upload it to these Form goggles, and dive right in. The goggles go to work telling them what to do, as well as suggest when to start and when to rest. Even better, it's good for swimmers of different levels and preferences. This is one of the few gifts that targets the Phelps of your family, and it's pretty much guaranteed that they'll love it, along with any of these best swimsuits for men for male swimmers. Pressed for time? Try these last-minute Christmas gifts that are sure to please. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably also like our other videos. Also, leave a like and a comment, as that really helps us out. If you want us to make a video about the topics in which you're interested, write it in the comments. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. That's it for today. We'll be back soon with more exciting videos to help you learn more. For more fascinating videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button and share it with your buddies.